How to create Jobcase account. So if you want to create a Jobcase account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. You can simply go for the search bar and search for Jobcase. And once you've searched, here you will have www.jobcase.com. Click on that and it will take you to the website. So now you can simply go for join, which is on the upper right, or you can simply click on login if you want to log in. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create, then you can go for create a new account, which is here. And from here you can continue with your Google, or you can continue with your Apple, or you can continue with an email link. But I'll be entering my first name and my last name. And then here you need to enter your email address. And here on the next, you need to create a password. So make sure to create a password with minimum of 8 characters. And once you've done that, here you can click on join Jobcase. And that's it. That's how you create it. And now you can enter your phone number and you can enter your desired job title. Or if you don't want to enter that now, then you can click on no thanks. And that's it. That's how you create your Jobcase account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.